For those of you who have not tuned in to Izzy's Toy Time, Train Time, and Game Time this week,
this is what you missed!
Izzy's Toy Time! Here comes one! Everyone crank his manual battles! We're going to take them down one by one! This is the worst day of my life! We must avenge our Thomas friend for the second order of the Thomases! Thomases, unite and attack! Get it off! Get it off me! It's on my head! You are no match for me! Get off! They're never gonna see me coming from the sky!
Or an emerald. I can't remember which one.
Of which I do not have any.
I have emeralds. Come get me. Where are you?
Hey.
Here. Hold on. Let me look in my stuff. I got some emeralds. Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Ready?
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready. As it goes.
Ready? Here's another one.
Oh, nice.
All right, go do your bidding.
Okay.
I shall finish.
Come here, villager. Come here, I got some emeralds.
Daddy's winding it up, getting you ready to go. Come on. That was the wrong way, Daddy.
That's anticipation.
Oh no!
I'm a little scared.
Yeah, it's like coming after us.
I'm a little uncomfortable.
He needs an ambulance.
Okay,
There he is.
Go. Get us close. Mama, get us close.
Okay.
Get a shark, guys.
Get him, guys.
Get us close, guys. All right, stop.
Okay, parked.
Guys, I just saw you guys watching the shark. I saw you guys watching the shark, guys.
They have bazookas.
Babe, what'd you do?
Hey, there we go. Look.
What? That's not how I had that.
Come to your victory lap and see Pikachu.
In all of his glory.
Also, say hi to his Pokeball.
Hey.
This is a bully. I'm gonna go right by him.
Go. Yep. Okay.
Yep. Nope. Did I get
That guy
past
has a
him?
stick.
He's.
Babe,
Oh, we
I
didn't
think
make
we
it.
just got.
It's on. It's alive. Yeah. See. Da. Nam. Doidishmasta. Okay.
You better move.
Bubba, you're winning. What?
Bubba, you gotta move out of the way.
Fun. Bubba, Daddy's really catching up. Oh no. He wins. Final race. Who will be the winner?
Oh, you're playing dirty.
Come on, who's gonna win it? How many laps are we doing? Daddy's trying to get on it. Oh, slowing him down.
pushing
He's
me
doing.
along.
Oh! Did you see that?
I don't think so, sir.
Oh no!
Riddle. What is the #1 rule in Minecraft? Don't dig straight down. I know that rule. I think that's telling us to dig straight down.
I did not know that rule. Nuh-uh. Did you find something?
Bubba, what's in there?
Nothing.
Nothing. Oh my gosh, babe. I just got the best idea / challenge ever.
What?
On each side of the Knapford stations, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 open ends.
Okay.
My challenge is, can we create a funnel where every single 8 open ends gets connected here, and then it goes up, and then we'll go over the Knapfords and connect right over there.
Yeah!
I don't even know if it's physically possible to connect all 8 to this, but let's definitely try.
baby.
PMA!
I got it. It landed on me.
What is that,
wool.
brown?
It's brown wool.
Ah!
It's brown wool.
We got the brown! Okay,
Woo!
let's go straight to the monument.
How are you doing that? Let me use the
Babe,
brown wool.
y'all need to get to my level.
I'm out there.
How'd you, wait a minute. I can't get out.
Right? See ya. Do it.
Oh! What?
Wow.
Win! All right, get us in there, sir. Okay, look, we can just pack them in and just get them on top. Look, we're little. We can just go up.
Thomas!
There's too many.
Not Thomas. You get it? Too many.
Yeah.
They're too many.
Yeah.
Ew, mom jokes.
that's Bubba. Kiki, what is that? Only Daddy can get her to meow. Kiki. All right, Daddy, your turn. How do you do that? Kiki. That's your soul cat.
Isn't that funny?
Oh, they're getting ready to go. Hi, Kiki. She just gave him a headbutt. That means she really loves him. Where's our headbutt, Kiki? Oh, she's coming. Hi. Hi, Kiki. Oh, she does love us. We love you, Kiki.
Izzy's Toy Time!